Alright guys, new package is here. Pretty excited about this one. Got this one for a really good deal on where else but Amazon. So, gonna put this right here. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's see what it is. Cover up the address here. Alright guys, we're getting rid of the old fog lights. Putting in these new ones. Check that out. Super clean. Clear. Even came with instructions. Pretty sweet. The fog lights I have on the 02 GT right now are the originals, so they're pretty bad. I'm really excited about these. It's gonna match the headlights perfectly. Perfectly. There it is, guys. Let's go install them. Alright guys, welcome back. Here we got some new fog lights we're going to be installing on the Mustang. Clear fog lights, so it's going to match the headlights that I got on it now. So let's go see what our master mechanic is doing. How we doing? Coming up?
Yeah, man. It's good. Both are really hard to see.
You need light?
Yeah, some light would be off. Was my flashlight over there somewhere?
You can see we got the mechanic down there. Let's go for a close.
One bolt.
Alright guys, we got one side done. Dead center. Looking real flush, looking real good. And now we're going to move on to this side.
One more.
One more. You know, out with the old, in with the new. And then I'll show you guys the end. I would show you guys the whole process, but it is a tight ass squeeze. I mean, it's impossible to get the camera in there. So, I'll show you guys when we're done. Alright guys, here it is. Fog lights are in. They're looking good.
Oh, we still have to take the plastic off too.
Plastic's still on too.
What do you think? Put them off or?
Oh, you want to check it out? Go ahead, dude.
See if I can reach it.
Alright, here comes the plastic. Taking that plastic off. Oh, damn. Look at that. Alright guys, those are clear. These are $30 fog lights that you can buy on Amazon. Look at that. Wow.
Oh yeah, that's
Definitely a difference maker. Wow. Anyways guys, this is just a real quick video. Thanks for checking it out. See you next time.